Hi, thanks for watching. This video will discuss my top 5 beginner sport bikes. This isn't in any particular order. I hope you enjoy this video.
The first bike of this list is the Yamaha R7. Yamaha is making progress every year. The R7 is specifically made for bike riders that want a supersport design with spectacular performance for a steady price. The Yamaha R7 will be available in 2 colorways. The first one is Icon Blue, and the second one is Midnight Black. It has an athletic design with the R series in its DNA. It has a compact frame for an optimal balance. It weighs 188 kg and has 73 horsepower. The lights of the bike contains twin-eyed contouring. The R7 is the slimmest model of the R models. What is interesting is that you have the option to add a quick shift system. Our next pick is the Kawasaki Ninja 650. This bike is a hybrid between a sport and tourer model. It will come in 3 stunning colorways: lime green and ebony. The second color is ebony and candy lime green with a speck of metallic matte dark gray. And the last color is metallic matte graphene steel gray with ebony. The outstanding features are 1. Smartphone connection. 2. KTRC, Kawasaki traction control system that supports sport mode and an average mode for every circumstances. The next bike is the Yamaha R3. With its impressive specifications and cool style, the R3 gives you the opportunity to enter the motorsport and Yamaha R world fairly quickly. It has an aggressive look, inspired by the iconic R1. The R3 will be in 2 colors, just like the R7, Icon Blue and Yamaha Black. Now we have the Honda CBR 650R. This motorcycle is born on the race circuit and raised by the public road. It has an elaborate body design that stands out from its competitors. This motor will be delivered with a quick shifter, also known as an E-clutch. You can also shut the E-clutch entirely off and go full manual. It weighs 193 kg and has around 119 horsepower. It contains a hydraulic but electronically controlled steering damper known as HESD. This ensures stability at high speeds and in day-to-day traffic. You can get this motorcycle in 2 different colorways: matte gunpowder black metallic and Grand Prix red. One outstanding feature is that the LCD dash is replaced by a new 5-inch TFT screen. And as final pick, we have an Aprillia motorcycle. The RS has long represented Aprilia's commitment to sport and innovation. Deeply rooted in the brand's racing heritage, Aprillia now returns to its core mission. The aim is to attract a new generation of motorcycle riders using its global racing expertise. At the heart of the RS 457 is a seamlessly integrated engine and a strong aluminium frame for increased agility. This makes it stand out among similar bikes in its segment. Thanks to Aprilia's decades of experience, the crankcase now acts as a load-bearing element, a design feature previously seen on the famous RS 660. This innovative approach ensures Aprilia's renowned low weight and exceptional dynamics, all combined with 47 horsepower and 159 kg dry weight. As we now know of, there will be 3 available colors: racing stripes, prismatic dark, and opalescent light. This was my top 5. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have other motorcycles that you want to see in a video, let me know in the comments. A like and subscribe is appreciated.